If you're familiar with new construction in the North Texas area, you are probably very familiar with resort-style master planned communities. And this is one of the newest in the city of McKinney, but it's also in the Prosper ISD school district. So with this community, you have lower taxes, but also phenomenal schools. They just barely started building here. In fact, I'm not sure if anyone even lives here yet. The build time right now is about 12 months. But today I'm going to show you a little bit about the community, and then I'm going to take you on a tour through this home behind me. This is a Toll Brothers model here in Aster Park, so stay tuned. So first of all, Aster Park is located in McKinney, very, very close to the Prosper border. It's off Lod Howell and Custer Road. Now, when you're coming out here, it literally is just fields right where we're at. But I'll tell you that the I-75 is not that far of a drive from here. Also, your Dallas North Tollway is about a 10-minute drive. You're 45 to 50 minutes away from the DFW downtown area, and you're about 10 minutes away from downtown Prosper and the gates of Prosper, which has tons of shopping and dining, literally everything you could possibly need there. And you're probably about 15 to 20 minutes away from downtown McKinney, which also is like the cutest district to go for shopping or maybe a night out. So the location is not horrible, but I will warn you that if you come to this neighborhood, you're going to feel for a second, especially if you're not familiar with the area, that you are in the middle of nowhere. But I will tell you, getting into these new construction communities early like this is literally one of the best ways that you can get equity right off the bat, because these builders, as they develop the community, more and more people are attracted to it, because at that point, once the development is up, it doesn't feel like the middle of nowhere. And immediately, if you were able to get in on the ground level, you have already built an equity. So this is actually a really great time to get into this community right out front in the beginning. I did touch on schools really quick. This community is zoned to Prosper ISD, which is one of the best in Texas. You're zoned to Johnson Elementary, Jones Middle School, and Walnut Grove High School. So today I'm going to take you through this Toll Brothers model. This is the Bolsins floor plan. It's a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 3-car garage, 2 stories, and 3,991 square feet. Has a very spacious great room, casual dining area, cathedral ceiling throughout the main living space, a generous office and sizable media room, and a very large loft. This floor plan does have several different elevations starting in the mid-900s. Enjoy the tour. My name is Cami Hall, and I'd be honored to be your Texas realtor. If you're considering a move to the North Dallas suburbs like McKinney, Prosper, Salina, or Frisco, give me a call with any questions you have. And if you're interested in Aster Park, I would love to show you this beautiful community. My information is below.